We've had a lot of phone calls about freezing temperatures, and unfortunately we've had some equipment that is actually frozen and people don't have their water when it gets really, really cold. So if we're going to get into a hard freeze in San Antonio, we do not recommend that you put the unit in bypass. We would like water to be flowing through this tank, so the best idea I have for you is to open up a kitchen faucet, a vanity or something, and let the water drip at a fast pace, or even a tiny stream, not just a drip, but a stream. And what that's going to do is, if this is out in the well house or out in the garage, and the garage or well house gets really, really cold and it has a chance of freezing, we're just moving a tiny bit of water all through this system so that nothing could freeze up and block the water so that you don't have water for a little while or do any damage to the system. So my recommendation is, don't put the unit in bypass. Just open a faucet inside the house and let it run just when you go to bed, and then you can turn it off in the morning because you'll be using water throughout the day. But don't put it in bypass, run a faucet inside. That's my best advice.